To change fingerprint in the Z Flip 6, let's start by opening settings, then scroll all the way down until you see security and privacy. Then you will select the lock screen option. Then we will select the fingerprints. Enter in your phone's login. And if you want to remove a fingerprint you've added, tap on it and then tap the remove. And to add a new fingerprint, select the add fingerprint. And then what you do is you place your finger on the fingerprint sensor here. Don't click the button, just rest your finger on the sensor and then release. And repeat this motion every time. Slightly change the position of your finger on the sensor. And so this will capture as much of your finger as possible. And then once it's all done,